Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF by digital signature. First, understand that a digital signature is different from a simple electronic signature, offering greater security. You'll need a valid digital ID or certificate, which acts like your unique digital fingerprint. Open the PDF document you wish to sign using a compatible software, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or a similar program, to begin the process. Next, locate the Sign or Certificates tool within your chosen PDF software. This is usually found in the toolbar or a dedicated panel. Click on it, then select the specific area on your document where you want your signature to appear. From the options presented, choose your personal digital ID. You might be prompted to enter a password to confirm your identity, ensuring only you can use it. After placing your signature, take a moment to review its appearance and the associated details, like the signer's name and the time of signing. Some software may ask you to set a password for your digital ID if you haven't already, adding an extra layer of protection. Finally, save the signed PDF document. This crucial step embeds the digital signature permanently, making it an integral part of the file. Digital signatures provide significant benefits, including enhanced security and undeniable authenticity for your documents. They ensure the integrity of the file, meaning any unauthorized changes made after signing will be immediately detectable. As a best practice, always keep your digital ID secure and consider backing it up in a safe location. This protects your ability to sign documents reliably and securely in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.